happy na merong how do I call it? Merong na nire-request pa rin kami ng mga tao na kasama kami even outside our usual work.
Actually, this is our parang second endorsement together as Kim Pao natin. So, we're very happy sa Chowking dahil, ayun nga, magkasama kami sa teleseries or movies, and now we're representing a brand, and then it's a big brand for us. So, we're very thankful for their trust and support.
Since Halo is cool down, how do you cool down each other pag stress kayo sa taping or set?
Ako yung bukod sa halo-halo, Chowking halo-halo, si Pao, sobra siyang zen. So, tignan mo lang siya, tsaka kausapin mo siya, mag-cool down ka na talaga. So, isa siyang, para siyang kalmadong tao. Maraming kalma sa katawan.
Ako naman, when I'm too stressed, the way I cool down is parang I play computer games.
Kasi Kim, how does she cool you down?
In what way? Well, she's very bubbly as a person. So, parang kapag stress ka rin talaga, pag nakikita mo si Kim, parang nawawala yung pagod mo dahil nakakahawa yung happiness na binibigay mo sa Kim.
Thank you.
Ayun, Kim and Pao, foodie ba kayong dalawa? And how does halo-halo fit into your daily routine or diet?
Ano po yung first?
Foodie ba kayong dalawa? So, how does Chowking halo-halo fit into your daily routine or diet?
Foodie, yes, in terms of parang gusto ko din mag-try ng iba't ibang pagkain, and parang pag masarap yung kinakain, it gives you comfort, it brings you joy. So, when it comes to Chowking halo-halo supreme, nagbibigay siya, lalo na ngayon, sobrang init na ng panahon, parang perfect timing siya. And actually, yung Chowking halo-halo naman, it's whole year naman siyang laging nandiyan. And then, it's the perfect way to treat yourself for something sweet, something cold, and it's a perfect merienda or like pampalamig ng katawan, ng ulo, ng nararamdaman natin. Yeah.
Kim Pao?
Ako naman, I'm not sure if I should consider myself a foodie pero medyo. I would say medyo dahil medyo pinigan na rin ako sa mga kinakain. But in terms of Chowking halo-halo supreme, how does it fit my diet? Ako, I'm not that strict with my diet. As long as I've said it, parang medyo may marami akong bagay na hindi kinakain. And as long as pwede ko siyang kainin, hindi na ako maarte sa diet. At lalo-lalo sa init ng panahon ngayon, parang ako unahin ko yung mag-cool down. So parang perfect talaga yung halo-halo. Lalo-lalo sa
Ito na siya na to ni Kim nung nilaunch siya as endorser ng ano. Pero, do you have any fun food-related memories in Chowking growing up na pwede mo ma-share, Pao? And Kim, pwede mo na ulitin yung sinabi mo dito. Parang ano, fun food-related story growing up with Chowking.
Pero heartwarming lang siya na nangyari bago naman. Kasi every time I'm doing a charity program, nagtatanong ako lagi sa Chowking if they can help send some food para sa akin. Noong time na nagpunta kami sa Pampanga with the ITAS, ang daming pinadalang pagkain ng Chowking. And lahat sila parang talaga sila na wow, ang sarap nito. Yung parang lahat sila nagsama-sama na nakatikim sila ng Chowking. So nakakatuwa sa heartwarming experience. Sobrang sila magpapasalamat. Well, Chowking naman is very generous.
Thank you, Kim. Pao?
Well, ako naman, way back when they first launched Chow Fan, parang top of the town talaga yung Chow Fan. So parang kinailangan namin subukan. Siguro mga either a week or 2 weeks namin kinakain ng Chow Fan dahil recollection ko, memory ko, parang lahat yun yung sinasabi, parang puro chow fans na tumatakbo yun sa akin.
Ito pa-cute lang na question. Kung sangkap ng halo-halo, si Kim, si Pao, anong sangkap siya at ba?
Sa akin siguro, ube leche flan. Kasi favorite ko talaga yung ube leche flan. Parang favorite ko din.
Dalawa.
Ito na lang iba. So yun lang yung
Hindi, ikaw yung nata ko. Hindi, kasi mahirap hanapin, pero pag nahanap ako,
Ay, maganda yun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Manila Society.
Larissa po from Manila Society. Yung question ko po actually is, kasi Kim na-mention mo that your
Okay.
9 years ka na and Pao 1 year. Can you share us your journey with being an ambassador of Chowking? Can you describe the best moment na yung ini-enjoy nyo talaga yung halo? For both.
wala na po hopefully mag 2 years.
Ako, mamay ko na. Mahina po. Ako naman, being with Chowking, 9 years with Chowking, parang mas story ko sa simulan, 9 years with Chowking, hindi ko rin nakalain na parang magtatagal ako sa Chowking ng ganito. I'm very happy, full of gratitude, and parang it's, aside from being a brand ambassador, it's also being a part of a family that we share the same feels na gusto namin magpasaya ng tao. Sa Chowking, it's them giving people delicious comfort food, and for me naman, gusto ko rin magpasaya ng tao through my presence or sa lahat ng mga jokes ko. And then parang Chowking kasi has been a part of every celebration ng mga Pilipino. Not just celebration or barkada outing or like #craving satisfied. So I'm very happy to be part of that family that gives importance sa kaligayahan ng bawat tao.
Your best moment?
May My best moment with Chowking Halo-Halo is syempre kasama ko na ngayon sa summer. Sarap ka summer! Chowking!
Anong setup? I mean, habang in-enjoy mo siya, anong setup mo? Like, sabi lang